guys, it's Stock Curry, and in today's video, I'm going to let you know what news you need to know about this week, where I see the markets going this week, and since we have a possible bear market next year, I'm going to talk about some cryptocurrencies that you might want to invest in instead. So let's get into it! Alright, there's only one bit of news you really need to know about this week, and that is the Fed meeting that is happening on Tuesday and Wednesday. Keep in mind that Jerome Powell is expected to speak Wednesday. Now, we don't know exactly what time it's going to speak, but usually it's anywhere from about 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, that said, we can expect that Monday and Tuesday are probably going to be green days in the market, bearing any, bad news. And on Wednesday is the great big unknown, because it all comes down to what Jerome Powell says. Now, Jerome Powell can either take the markets on Wednesday, or he can cause the markets to go up a lot. Whatever happens Wednesday after Jerome Powell speaks, I think we're going to get the same action on Wednesday. So if Jerome Powell tanks the market, say they're going to start raising interest rates sooner or something like that, we could see the markets continue to decline on Thursday. But on the flip side, if Jerome Powell causes the markets to go up, say that he says, you know what, we're going to hold off on tapering a little bit, that could cause the markets to go up Wednesday, and then I think the same thing would happen Thursday. So again, Monday, Tuesday, I think will be green. Wednesday, Thursday are just going to depend upon whatever Jerome Powell says. And then Friday, I think it's just going to be the opposite of whatever Wednesday and Thursday were, as people either take profits from the market going up, or as people buy back in on the dip for everything that's sold off on Wednesday and Thursday. So that's my prediction. That's what I think is going to happen. And that's literally all you need to know this week. There's not really much else going on. All right, let's get into our stock and crypto picks. For those of you guys who are new to this channel, my name is Stock Curry. I used to work as an analyst for some large investment banks, and now I analyze stocks for you. Every day I spend hours and hours and hours watching all of the top finance channels, and I consolidate all of their stock picks into a single video. I give you both the cliff notes on their stock picks as well as my analysis on their stock picks. Now, if anything I talk about today piques your interest, make sure you listen to who they talked about it, and then go watch their video to get the full details on what they said. Now, all I ask for putting all of this together for you guys is that you hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the page so that you can get notified when I release my next video. In fact, I'll give you 5 seconds to do that right now. Alright, before we get into our stock and crypto picks, I want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I talk about today is a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold. These are just my opinions, which may or may not be accurate. Please do your own research before investing in any asset. If you're wondering what you're looking at right now, this is the Webull desktop app. Webull is the app that I use for my trading, and it is also the app that I use in all of my videos. I wanted to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Webull. Webull just added 4 new cryptocurrencies to their platform, including MANA, ATOM, FTM, and GRT. Webull has also increased their promotion to now, when you sign up using my link in the description below and deposit just $1, Webull's going to send you 5 free stocks worth up to $8,300. That's right, 5 free stocks worth up to $8,300. Guys, this is the easiest platform to use for US traders, especially on the phone app. It is so incredibly simple and easy to use. You get access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies with absolutely no fees on buys and sells. You can trade thousands of NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange listed stocks. And multi-leg options are incredibly simple to execute. You simply select the strategy that you want to use, and then you select your buy sell, and you can even see your profit and losses right here on the graph. It just makes it so incredibly simple. And for new traders that want to try their hands with a paper trading account before they start using real money, Webull offers paper trading with defaulted layouts for both day traders and regular traders. So if you don't already have a Webull account, sign up for Webull using my link in the description below, deposit $1, and you will get 5 free stocks worth up to $8,300, as well as an additional $5 in free crypto when you make your first crypto trade. All right, let's get into today's stock and crypto picks. Okay, let's start with the cryptocurrencies. And what I want to point out is this. If you go over to coinmarketcap.com, there is a way of sorting by cryptocurrency categories depending upon what you think the future of crypto is going to be. So like, for example, a lot of people right now think the future is going to be the metaverse. So if you look down here, you can see categories, and on the categories, you have different things like stable coins, events, jobs, all this different stuff. But also you have this DeFi. These are going to be your DeFi cryptos. And then you have your NFT cryptos, but the one I really want to focus on is the Metaverse cryptos. These are the ones that a lot of people think are just going to absolutely take off as the Metaverse grows over the next 10 years or so. And so I wanted to point out some of the top cryptocurrencies, and you're going to realize that we've been talking about these on this channel. Those include things like Decentraland, MANA, Axie Infinity, AXS, the Sandbox, SAND, Theta, Engine Coin, ENJ. You guys get the idea. So all you have to do is go to coinmarketcap.com, you click over to Metaverse, and you can find some cryptocurrencies that you might want to invest in. Just keep in mind that absolutely nobody knows which one of these cryptos is going to be the one that just takes off and goes to the moon. So people like StockMo are buying a wide variety of them, like 10 of them, hoping that one or two actually takes off. So that's how you can find these if you're interested. Okay, I'm going to talk about this top one in just a minute, but first I want to give an update on Saitama. So this is SAITAMA, or Saitama token. Keen & Grace gave an update on Saitama over the weekend. A third party called Certic is performing a security audit on Saitama. They said the audit is 75% complete. Currently, the Saitama development team is reviewing the findings, and they have been given the opportunity to fix the issues Certic found. Once the Saitama development team fixes as much as they can, a final report will be delivered and made public. Once that is done, exchanges will be more comfortable listing Saitama on their platforms. And once the crypto is listed on exchanges, the price usually rises. Regarding Saitama's own exchange that got delayed, we still don't have any update on when that might get released. Taking a look at the technicals, Saitama has been consolidating around the 7 zeros and a 4 range. Consolidation will usually lead to a breakout eventually, although we don't have any indication if that breakout will be up or down. And now on to our top Metaverse crypto. This is MANA, also known as Decentraland. MANA has been a favorite of StockMo and Larry Jones due to its potential in the metaverse. I just wanted to let you know that MANA is now tradable on Webull. Webull just added 4 new cryptos, including Decentraland, ticker MANA, Cosmos, ticker ATOM, Phantom, ticker FTM, and the Graph, ticker GRT. So if you want to trade MANA, ATOM, FTM, or GRT, you can now do so on Webull. And of course, Webull also offers other popular cryptos, including SHIB and DOCU. And now for an update on SHIB. This is Shiba Inu. SHIB still is not broken out. It remains in consolidation. I really thought this would break out over the weekend, but it just didn't happen. So I'm sure this is going to break out sometime this week. Again, I still don't know if SHIB will break out to the upside or the downside, but if it closes above the 10-day EMA, I would consider buying some SHIB. If I were holding SHIB and I saw it close below the 100-day EMA, I would consider selling my SHIB. You just have to be careful though, because like we saw about 4 days ago, just because it closes below the 100-day EMA does not mean that it actually will break out right at that point. We can sometimes get these false breakouts before the real breakout actually occurs. And now on to our stock picks, and first up is AMC. This is AMC Movie Theaters. I just wanted to give you a quick update on AMC. Technically, AMC is still holding support at the 300-day EMA. We'll have to watch AMC carefully on Monday and Tuesday. If it can rebound and start going up, that would be further sign that AMC will be ready for a new bull run. But if AMC breaks below the 300-day EMA, it could fall all the way down to the next support level at $14.50. So this week will be crucial for AMC and will set the direction for the next few weeks. On a side note, Keen & Grace let us know that AMC is doing a third NFT giveaway for the Matrix movie. I don't expect that to move the stock price one way or another, but I just thought I'd let you know. And next up is CHPT. This is Chargepoint. They're the largest charging station company in North America with more than 70% of the total market share, and they are also in 16 European countries and growing. Chris Sain likes the idea of starting to dollar cost average into CHPT at any price under $20. Now, CHPT has turned into a bit of a swing trading stock. If I zoom out on the daily chart, you can see how it consistently bounces off of the $20 level and then rises to about the $26 to $36 level before going back down again. Assuming CHPT continues its swing, you can buy in here at around $20 and then sell at about $26. That would result in a nice 30% gain in about 2 months. Now, I would set a stop loss at $17 just in case CHPT fails to swing back to the upside. But history says CHPT is at a bottom and will rebound to $26 or higher soon. So I like Chris Sain's swing trade here. It's hard to find a good swing trade in this environment, but CHPT does appear to be a good one. And now on to DOCU. This is Docusign. They're an internet e-signature company used for signing documents online. DOCU ran up massively in 2020 during lockdowns as many stay-at-home companies ran up. But recently, DOCU dropped back down to a level that it has not been at since May of 2020. They reported good earnings, but weak guidance. So ZipTrader uploaded a video Sunday night considering whether or not DOCU is now at a good price to buy in at. He looked at how DOCU has a very high retention rate in their subscription customers, and their customer base continues to grow. Part of the problem, though, is that DOCU is still not profitable. And a lot of the value in DOCU's share price was anticipated continued massive growth. But the CEO said they were seeing the industry return to a more normalized buying pattern, which means DOCU will no longer continue to see insane growth. Instead, it will now only see normal growth. So now the share price needs to get back down to a normal price. Even after last week's drop, DOCU is still trading at a very high price to sales ratio of 18. And assuming DOCU becomes profitable, the forward price to earnings ratio is 75. So even after last week's drop, DOCU is still overvalued. ZipTrader said he thinks DOCU is currently fair priced, but based upon the facts that high growth stocks could slip even further during high inflation and the coming high interest rates, he said DOCU could fall as low as $74. Now, my personal take is that DOCU should be trading closer to $80, and that is considering a price to sales ratio of 10, which many growth stocks trade at. So ZipTrader said DOCU could drop down to $74, and I personally think it should be trading at $80. That said, given the long-term potential for DOCU, some people might want to start dollar cost averaging in here for a long-term hold, but just keep in mind that DOCU probably won't start taking off again until 2023 at the earliest. And last up is PLTR. This is Palantir, and they're a data analytics company. Chris Sain likes the idea of dollar cost averaging into PLTR at any price under $19. Now, technically, the candles remain bearish, but the MACD is about to form a golden cross, which is bullish. So PLTR is showing signs of rebounding soon, but we don't have any confirmation of that yet. Now, prior support is at $17, so it's possible that PLTR will drop down that low before rebounding. And once it does rebound, it will usually get back up to at least $27.50. If it does, that would be a nice 45% profit over the course of a few short months. Just keep in mind that PLTR continues to fall for now, so if you do want to start buying in here, I would set a stop loss at around $16.50 in case it keeps falling. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and got a lot out of it. Comment down below what your favorite crypto pick is. And remember, Webull has just increased their promotion to give you 5 free stocks worth up to $8,300 when you sign up using my link in the description below and deposit just $1. In addition, you also get $5 for the free crypto when you make your first crypto trade. Now, this is the best promotion they have ever run, ever. And it only lasts through December 23rd, so you only have about a week and a half left to take advantage of that. Remember, sign up using my link in the description below, deposit $1, you'll get 5 free stocks worth up to $8,300. Now, if you're not a U.S. resident, or if you're looking to trade OTC penny stocks, or if you just don't like payment for order flow, then I recommend Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a great trading platform. They have highly discounted trading throughout the world. Trade charges $1 US, $1 Canadian dollar, 4 euros, or 6 Australian dollars, depending upon where where you live. And both Webull and Interactive Brokers both offer the full pre-market and after-hours trading from 4 a.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I do want to remind you that I have material connections with both of those, so whenever you sign up for either one, not only are you getting a great broker to trade with, you're also helping me to continue to produce these great videos for you. Now, finally, I want to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the page if you haven't already. I hope you have a lot of success trading, and I will see you tomorrow.